It's time to learn turning skin color to a nice golden color. Hands on Photoshop and stay tuned. Hello from Cherries! Open the image you want to turn its skin color to golden. Duplicate the layer using Ctrl+J or Command+J, or simply use right-click and duplicate layer. Name the duplicated layer and have it selected. Navigate to Filter menu and click on Camera Raw Filter. Now it's time to tweak the sliders. First is to increase the temperature, and yes, it is almost gold, but we want it to be perfect. So play around with different sliders, increase the highlight, or make the golden more shiny with increasing white. Tweak the shadow to get the nice shadow over the body. And clarity is the one that makes the details clearer. Tweak all the sliders to get the perfect golden, and when satisfied, press OK. Well, the golden skin is there, but affected the background as well. To fix it, press Alt or Option keys on the keyboard and click on the Add Mask button. Now take a brush and make sure the foreground color is set to white. Now paint over the body. Pay more attention to details by zooming in to different parts like eyes. And yes, we got it. What a golden skin. I love it. Try it on different images to master your golden skin effect skill in Photoshop.